everyone. So I'm at my sister's house. They had a storm here a couple of weeks ago, but look at the next door's neighbor fence collapsed on her fence. Now whose fault would that be? Would that be the property of the neighbors? My sister already reported it to the insurance, so they're gonna come and get an estimate to see how much that would cost to get it fixed. But yeah, we had some storms that came through here, kind of like bad windstorms, and look how it just blew it over. So, and I got her dog. I'm over her house sitting and watching him while he's out here playing. Look at him. That's little Bandit. Hey, Bandit, you gonna say hi? It's a pretty day today. Pretty day. It's kind of chippy, kind of cold. Where you going, Bandit? Are you ready to come in? Bandit, come here. She has only one dog while I got 5 Pomeranians, so and he's so smart. He's a good dog. I think he's trying to do a number 2. I don't want to film that. But yeah, let me know who's at fault with that property with the wood collapsing like that. So this isn't going to be long. My battery's about to run low. Look at that. It just looks horrible, don't it? And I'll check back with everyone later. Bye-bye. Have a super day. I'll be back probably tonight. Bye.